ka UDP minta ka khandai terik ukula lengkot arhazar arhulai kalapin bana sa arngut ki kertong bakin thup ya ujon Leslee sangma na South Tura but ka Pilne sangma na North Tura na kabenta ka MLA election arhazar arhulai ya kini lapin bana ha office ka UDP Shillong laban kedau baka UDP kelapelaj laipu arngut kam mensua
Leslee Sangma. She contested the MLA election in 2018, contested MDC election also in 2019. We wish of two candidates from Garo Hills. As you may be knowing, that the first list of candidates announced earlier, that was on the 22nd of November 2022, we have brought out the list of 32 candidates from the UDP. In fact, we were the first party to make the announcement for the list of candidates to contest in the 2023 Assembly elections. Today, for the second time, the State Election Committee has sat, and today we have approved two more candidates from West Garo Hills. Two very prominent faces from West Garo Hills. One is former MLA and former MDC, Mr. John Leslee Sangma, who will be contesting from 51 South Tura. And then another name is Dr. Pilne Sangma. She's a member of the UDP. She'll be contesting from 50 North Tura. Earlier, she had also contested as an independent in the Assembly elections 2018. And she also contested in the District Council elections in the year 2019 from Tura. So we have these two names whom the State Election Committee has selected today. We have also a number of other names from different constituencies of Garo Hills and also from Khasi Hill. But we will have to wait for the announcement of these of these aspirants from the different constituencies. Further ado, I would like to call upon our respected President, Shri Medbat Lingdo, to please do the honor and to felicitate these two candidates who will be contesting from South Tura and North Tura constituency. So first of all, I would like to
ex-MLA from South Tura constituency, Mr. John Leslee Sangma. We are also very glad to inform you, as announced by the General Secretary, to have with us once again Dr. Pilne Sangma, who was our candidate in the last MDC election from Tura constituency. We are fielding Dr. Pilne Sangma as our candidate from the North Tura constituency. Friends, I would like to tell all of you here that as a party, this upcoming election, we could see that the people of the state looks up to us as the biggest regional party in the state. And we are pleased to have with us altogether 34 candidates whom we have already finalized. In a very short span of time, we will again come out with another list of candidates, out of which 5 of them are the sitting legislators of this present house, with few other more candidates from other constituencies also. This shows that the people of the state, as I have said, are looking for UDP to address the issues and concerns, the matters related to the welfare of the state. And we stand committed that we will try our level best that we deliver those expectations of the people of the state when we have been given the mandate in this upcoming election. We are very confident and we are working very hard to see that in each and every nooks and corners of the state, in each and every nooks and corners of the constituencies, of each and every constituencies, we will try to reach to all of them, to create the awareness among the electorates, to ensure that this time they make no mistake and be with the UDP in this upcoming election. Friends, I give them support in whatever way we could to ensure that they sail smoothly in this upcoming election. So with these few words, I thank each and every one of you.